Hey everyone, today I am going to show you my famous coleslaw. I call it my Fiesta coleslaw because it has a little tweak on the dressing where I use lime, and then I also add cilantro into the coleslaw. It's really, really good. If you've ever had fish tacos and the little slaw that they use, that's what this is kind of like. I don't share this recipe with my family. I'm only putting it on my YouTube channel. So you're going to enjoy this recipe, and of course you can get the whole entire printable recipe at todayscreativemom.com. Let's get started.